Welcome to Nature's Cleanup, a vital mission dedicated to the health and happiness of our planet's most essential inhabitants, herbivores and insects. This initiative goes beyond a simple scrub down. It is a profound commitment to safeguarding the intricate balance of ecosystems by ensuring the well-being of the creatures that form their foundation. From the mighty elephant to the industrious dung beetle, every animal plays a critical role in the circle of life, and their cleanliness is directly linked to their survival. Rhinoceros beetles get their name from the horn-like structures on their heads, which resemble a rhino's horn. Males use these horns to fight other males for mates or territory. Rhinoceros beetles are among the largest beetles in the world, with some species growing over 6 inches. Bumblebees are known for their fuzzy bodies, which help them collect and spread pollen as they fly from flower to flower. Bumblebees use a technique called buzz pollination. They vibrate their bodies to shake pollen loose from flowers. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos communicate using sounds above and below water, including grunts, wheezes, and bellows. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Dung battles often look like tiny wrestling matches, with beetles pushing, rolling, and flipping each other. Male dung beetles often battle over dung balls, which are used to attract mates or feed larvae. To a dung beetle, polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Stag beetles can range in size from 2.5 to 12 centimeters, 1 to 4.7 inches, depending on the species. Males are generally larger than females. Stag beetles can fly, but they're slow and clumsy. Males are often seen flying at dusk looking for mates. Ladybugs are beneficial insects because they eat pests like aphids, mites, and scale insects that damage plants. Ladybugs live for about 1 year, going through complete metamorphosis: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Zebras need to drink water daily and often migrate to find water sources during dry seasons. Yellow jackets are often confused with bees, but they're actually a type of wasp. Sleeker, shinier, and more aggressive. Yellow jackets live in colonies, sometimes with over 1,000 individuals, including a queen, workers, and drones. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150–250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller, around 100 to 180 kilograms, 220 to 400 pounds. Honeybees live in colonies with a complex social structure, including a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees build honeycombs in hexagonal cells, which are incredibly efficient for storing honey and raising brood. Ants' colony has different castes: queens, egg layers, workers, females that do tasks, and males for mating. Ants build complex nests with tunnels and chambers that can regulate temperature and humidity. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. Some can carry 50 times their own body weight. Cows have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, 1 calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Cows can find their way home over long distances using the Earth's magnetic field. Scorpions have 2 large claw-like pincers, pedipalps, and a long, curved tail with a venomous stinger. Scorpions are widely distributed across the globe, from Africa to the Americas, but they do not live in Antarctica. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Tigers are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Grasshoppers are insects with 6 legs, 2 antennae, and 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Grasshoppers have strong back legs that allow them to leap 20 times their body length or more. Grasshoppers are often confused with crickets. Snakes have no legs but can move quickly and quietly using their muscles and scales. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Snakes flick their tongues to taste the air and pick up scent particles, which helps them find prey. Snakes don't have eyelids. Instead, their eyes are covered by a clear scale called a spectacle. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. In a healthy, vibrant environment. For herbivores, cleanliness is a matter of health and safety. A thick layer of mud might serve as a natural sunscreen and insect repellent for a rhino or buffalo, but matted fur, embedded parasites, and infected wounds from territorial disputes can cause immense suffering.